come back with a bang. This is our next series of Heartfelt. You know, when one goes down and into the ashes, there's a lot of sadistic pleasure that many people get from that. That's it. That's the end of her. There she is, where she belongs. Let people say what they want. But do not react. Do not react. What you need to do is respond. By respond, I mean you do not give the remote control of your life into the hands of the other person so that the other person makes you say, talk, behave in the way they want you to behave, talk, say what they want. You respond, you behave, you talk, you do the way you want it to be done. Give it back. Give it back by rising from the ashes. Rise like a phoenix from the ashes. Come back, stand up. Fallen down, no problem. No problem. Once, twice, thrice, 4 times, doesn't matter. You've gone back once, you've gone back twice, you've taken 5 steps back, you've taken 10 steps back, never mind. 1 step back will take you 2 steps forward, but keep at it, keep going. I'm not just trying to superficially motivate you or give you mouth motivating words. I'm saying this, whatever I say in Heartfelt is completely out of experience, is completely heartfelt for me personally. I have had umpteen times I have fallen down and into the ashes or become the ashes, and umpteen times I have pushed myself to rise up from the ashes and keep on walking. I may not have still reached my destination. Maybe I don't even know what my destination is, but I do know what my path is. So I keep walking, and I want us to keep walking. That itself is victory. That itself is a win. And that's what matters in life, is to keep walking. So come back with a bang. That's important. Never mind where you are, where you have fallen, how many steps you've gone back, does not matter. What matters is you have risen again and you have started walking again. That's what this series is meant to showcase to you, that come back with a bang, keep walking. Thank you.